Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Renee Denise here, and I'm back with another video. You know, it's a new Saturday. We got a new upload, baby. Let's get this thing going. This video is gonna be a recreation. You feel me? It's gonna be a recreation of an old makeup look that I did in 2017. I was scrolling through my Snapchat memories and the video popped up and I was just like, girl, the lines were harsh. It just could have been a lot better overall. So that's my challenge for today for myself. I just want to personally see how far along I've come, if I've gotten any better. I feel like I did. I feel like my makeup now is much more like soft, it's blended, like, you know, how you would want your makeup to look. So I feel like I came a long way and we want to see. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put the old clip somewhere on either side of me. It's not long. It's literally like maybe, I don't know, y'all know how Snapchat is. So that's before you was able to keep recording. Snapchat will stop you from recording. So I don't know how, I think the video is like 6 seconds. So I'm gonna try and put it, not try, but I'm gonna put it in one of these corners here so you guys can see what I was looking like. It's 2 videos, matter of fact. So I'm gonna put them both up just so you can get an idea. It doesn't cut off too quick. You'll get an idea of what it looked like back then. That was 2017. We're in 2019 now. So, I mean, just look at my eyebrows. If you would have seen them blocky things back then on me. But if you guys are interested to see how far along I've came, stick around and let's get into the video. Okay, so my eyebrows are already done, obviously. Duh, Renee, we see that. They're already done. Just to save some time, if you are interested in knowing how I do my eyebrows, I do have an eyebrow tutorial up on my page. I'll put the link down below in the description. If you're interested, you could click on that and go show that video some love. For right now, we're gonna get into this look, okay? So first, I'm gonna start out covering up some of these dark spots. So I have this color corrector from e.l.f. and I'm gonna just go in and put it over my dark spots. And then I have this mini size beauty blender. It's already wet, and I'm gonna just go ahead and blend out the color corrector. I had to get rid of those earrings. Ugh. I turned the light down just a little bit just to give you guys a better view. So now that that's blended out, I'm gonna go in with some HD foundation concealer, and I'm gonna go over the spots that I just color corrected. And I'm gonna take that same beauty blender and blend it out. That makes a big difference. So this is my face, no foundation yet, just the color correcting. Kind of almost look like my skin. Just a little bit, just a teeny bit or whatever. So for foundation, I am using the Born This Way Too Faced foundation, and I am in the color Mahogany. So I got my beauty blender. It's dirty or whatever, don't judge me. Anyway, so I'm gonna take 2 pumps of this on my beauty blender. So here we go. 1, 2. And that's what we looking like, okay? and I'm gonna apply it. Duh. Look at those spots. They're going, sis. They're going. You need to get you some Too Faced. It's neither here or there though. Do what you want. Okay. I think we're good with foundation. Next, I'm taking the multi-use sculpting concealer, Born This Way, Too Faced again. This is in the color Butterscotch. And we're gonna use the same beauty blender, just the other end, the pointed end, and we're just gonna blend it out. I feel like I need a little bit more on my forehead, but I'm gonna wait. For the under eye, I literally start in, pat out, and I come up back to my brow because it's concealer already here. So I would take this. You don't want to, there's no reason to put it elsewhere, because the point of concealer is to highlight the center of your face, or like, I guess like your main points, I guess. So you would take it and just keep it in the spot you want it. So I'm not gonna go up. I'm gonna just literally tap back into my brow and try and keep it on my cheek. Don't come in my comments now telling me you doing it wrong. This is how I do it. It works for me. To each his own. However you do your face, it's cool. I'm pretty sure you look good. Okay? We just took different roads to get there. Okay, so that's concealer. Next, I'm gonna go in with some Sacha Buttercup setting spray. The top is off because I already poured some into my top, and that's what I'm gonna use. And also, after setting my face, the areas I want to set, I'm gonna go in and do my contour. To contour my face, I'm gonna use this palette from Ulta. It's their collection, the Ulta Beauty collection, and I'm gonna literally use the darkest color they have, and this is Deep Contour 2. Okay, now let's get into this look. This look that I had somewhere, this look that I had was pink and blue, and it looked like I had like a little bit of highlight on. It don't look like I had on blush. It looked like highlight just for the most part. So to create the look, I'm gonna use the Box of Crayons palette, and something that I probably should have did when I was trying to do the look was start out with a transition color. So for my transition color, I'm gonna use the color Tan. Okay, so the blue that I'm gonna be using is out of the second edition color eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. This was my first eyeshadow palette I ever got, and it has 2 layers. I have all these colors inside. The colors underneath are more so shimmers, and then these are more so solid colors. I can't say names because I don't have names, so I'm just going in with the deepest blue I can find. To cut my crease, I'm gonna use the same concealer I used before, the Too Faced Born This Way and Butterscotch. Alright, let's apply our pink, okay? If you ask my niece how you say pink, she'd be like, pink! So cute. So I'm gonna still use the same palette, and I'm gonna go in with that bright pink. Okay, and now we got some lashes or whatever. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna try and blend out this pink under the eyelid. I'm gonna take a little bit more though and drag it out. Okay, next I'm gonna do my bottom lash. My bottom lash. For blush, we're gonna go in with the Too Faced Peach My Cheeks. Next, we're gonna go in with highlight. For lips, it looked like I just kept it natural. I didn't do anything. So I'm gonna take this pink lipstick lip liner from NYX. And I'm gonna take some nude lip gloss. pop that in the center. And over top of that, I'm gonna take some gloss by Fenty. Okay guys, and this is the finished look that I did in 2017. It is now 2019 and I feel like I came a long way. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Did I do better? Did I do worse? It looked the same. Like, I feel like I didn't put enough highlight. Or maybe in 2017, I just put too much highlight. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. I was low-key nervous, just a little bit. I don't know why, but I was nervous a little bit. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And like I said, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, you made it to the end. So, I mean, you might as well just click that subscribe button and just mess with your girl, you know? Until then, I will see you guys next week.